November, week 5, math, 2nd grade, lesson 1, word problems. Two children were on vacation. The sister read 13 books and her brother read 11. How many books did they read altogether? Do we know all the stuff? No. Is the stuff the same?
Yes.
Make a box and put a question mark because we don't know all the stuff. But it's books and books, so it is the same. So we can make stuff down here in the same place. Do we know part of the stuff? Yeah. How many did the sister read? Good. 13. And a brother read 11. Good, Older. So when you make your lines, try and make them match the box because these two parts are going to make all of the stuff. So Alexis, if you could stretch that other line to the edge of the box. No, just stretch it. Just keep going until you get to the edge of the box. There. Stop. Perfect. And bring them really close together. Don't leave, just leave a tiny gap between the parts, okay? Lovely. What kind of problem is it going to be? All right. You think about a train going two trains, and then you think about the tracks. The tracks have long pieces that go this way and short pieces that cross them, right? And that holds it all together. Right. So does it matter which number goes on top?
Yeah.
Does it matter when we do a plus?
Yes.
No, not with plus. Sure.
11.
Okay, Leif wants to put 11 on top. He wants to put the little guy on the top. So we're going to write 11 for our top add end. And then we'll put 13 underneath for the bottom add end. Line up the 3 with the 1 unit. And then the 110 in 13 with the 110 in 11. Make a plus sign because you guys said it was a plus. And make a line. Bead frames up. Beads in the bank. We're going to make the top end. Pretty easy, right? 11. 1 unit. And 110. So hard.
So super hard. Yeah, that's the hardest thing I've ever done.
Now we're going to make the bottom add end. How many units? 3. 1, 2, 3 units. How many tens? 1. And we're done. And the sum is 24. Put a 4 in the units and a 2 in the tens. Thank you. By the way, this problem is problem number 10. And if you don't mind putting a bubble and writing a 10, that's very nice for me. Very nice for me. Walter the Crow. Look at this guy. Look at all those clothes pegs. What do you think his favorite color is?
Blue.
Clothes pegs come in many colors, but he only likes blue. Excuse me. Walter the Crow loved the color blue. He had a collection of 138 blue clothes pegs. But one day, another crow stole 42 of them. How many clothes pegs did Walter have left? Aww,
Let's
did
take
all
away.
that work. Do we know all of the stuff?
Yes.
Yes. We know his collection had 138 clothes pegs. Make a box. And we're going to write 138. Is the stuff the same? Yeah, the other crow stole some of these blue clothes pegs. Blue clothes pegs and blue clothes pegs, definitely the same. Okay, so we can put part of the stuff down here. Do we know part of the stuff? Yes, it said the other guy stole 42. So make a line part way and write 42. I know, that other crow. What about, do we know the other part? No, it didn't tell us. Make a line and leave it empty. What kind of problem is this?
Takeaway.
Yes, this is a takeaway. Takeaway. So this time it does matter which number goes on top when we write our algorithm. We gotta put the big guy on top, right? So we're gonna write 138. For the minuend. Can you guys do that? And we're gonna write which number for the subtrahend? 42. Good, man. Make sure it's lined up. The 2 goes under the 8 because that's units. The 4 goes under the 3 because that's tens. Put a takeaway sign and a line for the remainder. Okay. We already have 4 units. How many more do we need to get to 8? 4. 4 more, right? 4 plus 4 makes 8. So you already have 4, so just move 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. Hang on, buddy. Okay. You already have 2 tens. How many more do you need to make?
1.
1 more. And how many hundreds do you need?
1.
1. So there's your minuend. You did it. Alright, something's going on with Andrew's bead frame. Leif, can you switch spots with Andrew? Andrew, is your bead frame backwards? There, buddy. Okay, that's better. Now we're going to take away units first. 2. Ready? 1, 2. Now you're going to take away the tens. Uh-oh, it says to take away 4. Let's start. Ready? Leif. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Exchange your 100. Get 10 tens. Keep saying 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4. Good job. Luckily, it says we don't have to take away any hundreds, because if we did, we could be in big trouble. There aren't any. So this is our remainder.
Well, there's 1.
96. Put a 6 in the units and a 9 in the tens. Just using you one. It's okay, buddy. You switch spots, don't worry. Let's go to the next problem. So, actually, let's read this. 138. Leaves 96. Right. Did we do the ducting one?
No.
Okay.
No.
You want to go to a different one? Okay, I'm going to do a hard one. All right.
No.
You
Yes.
guys ready? Oh, we forgot to to write the problem number for that one. It was 56. Put it in a bubble. Thank you. Okay, you want me to read you this one about the crazy looking chimpanzee? It took 16 weeks for Chatter the chimp to win American Idol.
What's that?
It's a song contest. What do you think he really won?
Yes.
If he had to beat 3 other contestants each week, how many contestants did he beat altogether? Do we know all the stuff?
No.
No, definitely not. So we're gonna make a box.
And it's not the
Don't.
exact same thing.
Box. And a question mark. Late, please. And the reason we know he probably didn't win is look at the guy in the corner. What's he doing?
Probably.
Alright. Is the stuff the same? Weeks and contestants?
No.
Definitely not. So we cannot put the stuff here. We have to make
Bubbles.
bubbles.
And then put the tank.
Mhm. First make your bubbles. And it was 16 weeks and 3 contestants that he beat every week. So we're going to put a 3 and 16. And the only sign that won't pop any bubbles is
Time.
Go, Andrew. Slide it between the bubbles. So this is going to be a times. We're going to write 16 times 3. Ready? 16. Where's the 3 going to go?
On this.
Under the 6. Good, Alexis, because it's units. Put the 3 under the 6. Walter. 16 times 3. The 3 goes under the 6. And put a time sign. Now we're going to make a line. So we've got multiplicand up at the top. Multiplier. And what's this called?
Product.
Product. Good. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Okay. What's my finger on? Good. Multiplicand. What's my finger on? Multiplier. What's my finger on?
Remainder.
Product.
Product.
All right. Go ahead and put your beads in the bank and your bead frames up. We're going to do units first. How many units in the multiplicand?
6.
6. How many times?
3.
3. You guys ready?
2.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to see everybody with the finger. Good. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Exchange the ball for a 10. Keep saying 4. 5, 6. Second finger up. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third finger up, and we're done with the units in the multiplicand. How many tens in the multiplicand?
1.
Oh, this is going to be easy.
You have
How
to
many
do
times?
1 3
Do it
times.
3. Can you include that one?
No.
No. 1 10 once, 1 10 twice, 1 10 3 times.
Done.
And the product is 48. He had to beat 48 other contestants. Goodness me.
I don't think he did. I don't think he won. I think that guy cheated, and he's
That was a lovely lesson, and I hope you guys are getting comfortable with the box and whether it's all the stuff or part of the stuff and whether the stuff is the same.